Hello friends, discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Taco holder. Fits street taco shells, larger tortillas. Perfect for both street taco holders and larger flour tacos or burritos. This taco holder set of 4 accommodates a variety of taco sizes, from mini to large, ensuring that no taco is left behind during your taco night. Easy to fill, keep taco shells neat. The unique design of this taco holder set of 4 prevents spills and keeps your tacos organized while you fill them. Create up to 12 perfectly aligned tacos, saving time and effort, so you can focus on enjoying your meal without mess. Oven grill safe taco rack. Unlike plastic taco stands, our taco stands for 3 tacos are oven and grill safe, allowing you to heat tacos directly in the rack. Whether you're hosting a taco party or making a quick meal, this taco rack makes it easier to serve hot and delicious tacos. Dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. After your taco feast, simply place the metal taco holder in the dishwasher for an effortless clean. Unlike plastic taco holders. Non-stick roasting pan. Extra large roasting pan with rack. 17-inch x 13-inch non-stick oven roaster with rack. Durable roaster rack. The roaster features a convenient U-shaped rack that keeps meats off the bottom of the pan. Fast and even heating. Non-stick roaster features heavy-duty steel construction for fast, even heat distribution. Superior non-stick. Superior non-stick technology provides excellent oven roaster food release and easy cleanup. High-performance design. Oven safe to 450 Fahrenheit. The roasting pan has superior non-stick and wide handles for a confident grip. Hassle-free, lifetime guarantee. Paper towel holder. High-quality material. This paper towel holder is made of high-quality aluminum alloy material, lighter but stiffer and stronger than stainless steel. It is waterproof, rust-proof, corrosion-resistant, can last for a long time. Matte black coating makes it even more stylish and beautiful. Save space. The paper towel holder is perfect for your kitchen, bathroom, garage, RV, etc., and vertical or horizontal installation can help you save the most space. Easy installation. There are 2 ways to install this paper towel holder, self-adhesive or drilled. You can freely choose the appropriate installation method according to your wall or cabinet situation. Widely used. Not only a paper towel holder. This product can also be used as a towel rail, foil holder, toilet paper holder, hat rack, utensil holder, etc. Get one and use it as you like. Vacuum sealer. Chef Preserve Ultimate Starter Bundle includes 1 compact vacuum sealer, 30 reusable vacuum bags, 3 glass vacuum containers. Money bag, reduce waste and save money. Chef Preserve keeps food fresh 5 times longer than non-vacuum storage methods. Never worry about spoilage ever again. White heavy checkmark, powerful, quick, easy to use. Simply press the button to start. The device vacuum seals a bag in 5 seconds and automatically shuts off when done. SUI Chef Preserve Ultimate Starter Bundle includes 1 compact vacuum sealer, 30 reusable vacuum bags, 3 glass vacuum containers. Money bag, reduce waste and save money. Chef Preserve keeps food fresh 5 times longer than non-vacuum storage methods. Never worry about spoilage ever again. White heavy checkmark, powerful, quick, easy to use. Simply press the button to start. The device vacuum seals a bag in 5 seconds and automatically shuts off when done. Food warming mat. Precise temperature timing control. As an electric food warming mat with 9-level temperature control and 6-level timing control, it precisely warms food. It features quick SIXS heating and low 0.33 kilowatt-hour energy use, acting like a TempMaster adjustable warming tray. Easy to use store. The rollable design of this electric warming mat for food makes it convenient for storage. With a locking function by pressing and holding and 13mm foot pads to protect countertops, it's a great food warming mat for countertop use. Durable, easy to clean. This silicone warming mat for food is water-resistant, stain-resistant, and oil drop-resistant, having an easy-to-clean surface, just like other quality food warming mats. Digital kitchen timer. Kitchen timers with big buttons, large digital display, loud buzzer, and clean bright look, battery not included. Clear and loud alarm. You will easily be able to hear this alarm in another room, and the alarm will stop auto after 30 seconds when you're busy. Cooking timer with strong magnetic back 2.0 retractable stand and hook for hanging. Can be positioned in variety of locations like table, refrigerator, dry erase board, and wall hooks. Maximum time is 99 minutes 59 seconds. Meet the need of home perfectly. You can save the battery with on-off switch. Memory setting. You do not need to set the count's own time every time. It will remember your last time, and you only need to press ST/SP button. Microwave splatter cover. Universal splatter guard. Designed for cover plates, bowls, and other microwave-safe dishware, this grease splatter guard helps keep food from popping all over the inside of your appliance for improved cleanliness. Collapsible silicone dome. A unique design that makes it easier to cover all types of different dishes 6-inch to 10. In size, our microwave splatterproof cover is made with a flexible, heat-resistant silicone that's BPA-free and offers food-grade versatility. Clear glass top. This microwave food cover splatter blocker is also designed with a borosilicate glass top that lets you see your food on the inside, so you can see if it's completely cooked. Important for quick microwavable foods or longer cooking. Plastic storage bins. Made in USA. Our storage bins are proudly crafted in the USA using high-quality, durable materials, ensuring your belongings stay safe and secure. See-through design. You can easily see what's inside the box without opening it, thanks to its transparent design. Stackable storage. Maximize space in your home, office, or playroom. The securely locking lid keeps items safe and allows bins to be stacked on top of each other. Pull handle buckles. A handy handle on the bottom of the bin makes it easy to pull it out even from high shelves, while secure buckles keep lid in place. BPA-free and acid-free. The material used is safe for storing items, as it's free from harmful chemicals like BPA, acids, and phthalates. Tapered design. Easily nest them when not in use. Dimensions: 16.5L into 11W into 6.8H. Inside dimensions: 12L into 8W into 5.5H. Kitchen oven baking pans. 3-piece set. NutriChef 3-piece non-stick cookware set includes the small, medium, and large size of cookie pans. These are a flexible, stylish, and non-stick carbon steel bakeware set with red silicone handles. Non-stick coating. The PTFE/PFWA/PFOS-free non-stick pot set cooking, where features a long-lasting non-stick coating for easy food release or tossing, cleaning healthy cooking with heat-resistant lacquer exterior, making it resistant to high heat. Durable bakeware set. These cookie pans are made from carbon steel non-stick coating that resists warping to keep your baking, roasting, toasting for years. It is suitable for the oven, refrigerator, and freezer. A reliable cookie sheet oven pan style. Handles the heat. Bold-colored, commercial-grade restaurant-quality metal bakeware provide a confident grasp while taking the baking pans out of the oven, where they are oven-safe to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Wireless meat thermometer. Perfectly cook 3 foods at one time. This set of 3 thermometers takes away the guesswork with individual time and temperature tracking for 3 different foods simultaneously. Unlimited wireless range. Long-range connectivity means you can remotely monitor cooking while chatting with friends and family and still get a perfectly cooked meal. Quad sensors. Get maximum cooking accuracy from any angle with 3 internal and 1 ambient sensor. Audible and visual reminders. Hear reminders from the charging hub speaker and get app notifications for real-time internal temperature updates, flip reminders, rest indicators, estimated time left, and more. Hours of use with minutes of charging. This indoor-outdoor thermometer is ready when you need it with 40-plus hours of use from a 10-minute charge or charge for 1 minute and get hours of use. Easy cleaning.